Thank you so much for sharing your time with me. I'm honored, I'm grateful. Let's bring one hand to the belly and one hand to the heart.
Bringing our attention inward. This isn't a long video, but as I've always said, a little goes a long way.
Let's begin to gently deepen the breath, but as you do this, don't feel like you have to do anything in particular. See if you can start to also notice and bring your attention to just the areas of your body that are connected to the earth.
Continue to breathe with awareness and imagine that the earth, your yoga mat, the ground beneath you is rising up to kiss your body.
To hold and support your body. Imagine that the earth is just lifting up, rising up to meet you. Inhale in deeply through the nose. Exhale out through your straw, lengthening the exhale, which calms the nervous system. Inhale to drop the belly. Exhale through pursed lips, rounding through the spine. Then inhale, come back to center, walk the hands forward, curl the toes under, and send the hips up and back for downward facing dog. Take one more deep breath in here. Head is below the heart here, a little inversion. Nice. Inhale, send the fingertips out left to right, so the arms are straight in like a Texas T position. Take a deep breath in here as you gently lift the chest. As you exhale, we'll bring the palms together at the heart center, Anjali Mudra. Chin to chest, reach behind as you inhale. Palms come together behind the neck. Hang with me. Exhale, palms come together at the heart. Pause here, just notice how you feel. Notice how you feel. Feel your body relaxing deeply into the mat. Gently press your hips and the backs of your heels into the floor, noticing that connection. Feel the earth rising up to meet you. Allow yourself to sink completely into the mat. Align your wrists under your shoulders. Now, as you inhale, drop your belly, lift your chest for cow pose. Take a deep inhale, and as you exhale, lift your hips high, finding your downward facing dog. Send your hips high and back. Maintain that straight line from your wrists to your hips and relax. Now gently start to pedal your feet. Bend the left knee, pressing the right heel towards the mat, and then inhale, send the fingertips out left to right, so the arms are straight in like a Texas T position. We lift the chin, we lengthen through the spine, and then exhale, press the palms out. Exhale, palms come together at the heart. Exhale, palms float down, fingertips kiss the earth. Pause here, just notice how you feel. Begin by noticing the parts of your body connecting with the mat. Gently settle your hips and your heels deeper into the ground beneath you. Take a deep breath in, and as you slowly exhale, allow your body to sink deeper. Take a deep inhale, dropping the belly, lifting the heart, and lifting the gaze high into cow pose. Inhale, arching your spine, lift your gaze. As you exhale, purse your lips like a straw and slowly round into cat pose. Take an inhale here, curl the toes under. As you exhale, lift the knees and press back, sending the hips high for downward facing dog. Now begin to pedal your feet, bending one knee and then the other to stretch the calves and ankles in downward dog. As you rest here, notice the parts of your body touching the ground. Allow your heels and hips to settle further into the mat. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, allow your body to sink deeper into the mat. Breathe steady. Feel the stretch through the posterior chain as you press your hips high. Relax your neck and look back toward your ankles. Pedal your feet now, stretching the calves and ankles in your downward dog.